This is my 2012 Chevrolet Silverado, and as you can see on this side, the light isn't working. I've replaced both the wire harness, and this one, for some kind of how, it just keeps wiggling loose, and I have to do it again, but I don't feel like it right this minute. So I'm going to pop the hood and I'm going to show you what I do to fix it. Alright, so I gotta take this out right here, and as you can see, it comes on and off. So see how it wiggles and it keeps burning out. It just burns up the plastic inside. So what I did was I had some work gloves. So I took off a piece of the work glove and just fold it up like that. Then take this out. I know which side it leans to, and this side is the side that comes unconnected, as you can see, and it's melting the other side because it comes this way. But anyhow, I stuffed this right here pretty thick, you know, just so it would be on the side here and not on the metal part. So you just wrap that around like that. You know, like that. Careful not to block it so the prongs don't take the plastic inside. And you just put it on the side like that, kind of grab it, and then push it in. And see, like I'm actually moving it, and it's not going nowhere because it's stuck. I mean, if I really move it, it goes somewhere. And I did it before, and it wasn't working. So I folded it a couple times to make it thicker. And now it works. I don't have no problems. And if I do have any problems, then I have to take this apart. I bought a new wire harness, and then I'm going to solder it. But I haven't had no problems with this thus far, so I'm really not going to worry about it right this minute. And then you just pop it back in. There you have it. Both sides are working.